Hi, in this video, I will show you on how you can hide your Canva website from search engines. If you have published your design as a website using Canva, then by default, that design or that page will automatically be indexed on Google or other search engines. So basically, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and other search engines should be able to access your page and discover the content. And it may also allow people to accidentally or intentionally find your website through search engines. If you don't want that to happen, you just want to share the website for internal use case, then here's how you can disable search engines from accessing your Canva website. First, open your design and then go to share and click website. Now click publish settings and click advanced settings and disable search engine visibility. You want to click on that and click republish website. So it's very important to click that button again to apply the setting to your Canva website. Usually this will only take a few seconds, and when you're done, this website is no longer able to be discovered by search engines, so you won't have to worry that someone could find or discover your website through search engines. So anyway, that's exactly how you can do it, and I hope you find this video helpful.